somebody should relay the message na itong si District Engineer, kung sino naman itong yawa na ito, you are relieved beginning tomorrow. You are listening, this is nationwide. Secretary Mark Villar, kindly implement the order. Get him out of the office by tomorrow, noon time. Former District Engineer Lorna Ricardo Marlen Ingolio, District Engineer, pati si District Engineer, kaya pala sabi ko, sige ako basa District Engineer pala itong yawa na ito. District Engineer Divinadera, Ramon Dinavera, pati Marim. You are relieved and report to your secretary by tomorrow.